Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to unbox for you the brand new Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. So as you can see, that's how it comes in the box. Nicely presented, a little gold trim on the card. We'll get to the watch in a sec, but let's take a look at what else is in the box. So initially we have a strap here that says Huawei Watch GT. A USB-C cable. Okay, it's a slightly different charging dock. It's the first not to use the contacts that the other wearables have. This one can actually charge wirelessly, so you could charge it off of your phone as well as from the charging pad, which is a nice touch. I've been wanting them to do that for ages because these go missing, and if I can't find this, I can't find my watch, which is totally useless. A little booklet here, warranty card, and I'm assuming this is a quick start guide as well. So let's take a look at the watch. Okay, nice. So it comes with, or at least the version that I've got, comes with a grey leather strap, which smells good. Seems like the real stuff. It's also got a nice stitching alongside either side of the strap and a metal clasp which says Huawei on it. But yeah, that's the watch. Huawei have said that this is rated to perform up to 30 hours without a charge, and that's with GPS turned on. Otherwise, with GPS turned off, it's stated to give you about 14 days of performance. That's 2 weeks without charging your smartwatch. But this is packed full of features. I'll put some of the key features in the description area below. Look out for a review of this at some time in the near future, and I'll share some pictures on Instagram so you guys can have a closer look at it. But in the meantime, please subscribe. Check out my Instagram, like I said, GadgetsJON on Instagram. Thanks for watching.